We are passing by Good Times dog sledding. And wow, there's a lot of dogs barking down there. Kind of an exciting boardwalk right here. Love stuff like this. It's a river. Wow, we don't even have to ford this river. It's definitely crossable. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Got some thunder rolling in. The mountains off in the distance do not look happy. We're a little concerned for all of our friends that are trying to summit Grace Peak today. This is not the weather you'd be wanting to do that in. All of these houses kind of look the same. It's kind of nauseating. We're basically going through this residential area and went right by a bunch of apartments over here. And like, it's wild thinking that like you could live in a house or an apartment and have the Continental Divide Trail run right through your backyard. This is actually pretty neat.
Locals fishing right next to their house.
Yeah. This is certainly a neat neighborhood. Going underneath the bridge. Lou's getting a bit worn out, so I don't think he'll be hiking with us this whole section. Just like about a mile in with my mom. My mom's hiking with us here. And then leftovers and I are hiking about 15 miles back to Copper Mountain. And then we'll be done with our small southbound section and head back up to 70 by Grace Peak tomorrow. Even though Blue was super enthusiastic about yesterday and had so much energy and was pulling the whole time when he was on leash, he is definitely getting older, so I think he's pretty sore today. There is a moose right there behind the trees, just walked along the trail.
Did you ever sing a camp song like "The Moose, the Moose"?
No.
I'm gonna regret singing that one. Look, small guy.
These are actually the first mushrooms I've seen on trail. That's pretty neat. Back to some snow hiking. It's hailing now. Good thing I'm borrowing my mom's umbrella. This is hiking with an umbrella in the hail. Highly recommend this. So much nicer than getting hit by a bunch of hail pellets. We are finally getting back to Copper Mountain. This is the last of our southbound from 70. Made it back to Copper.